Hello everyone, this is George Zuris from Andia's Homemade Ice Cream in Cary, North Carolina. I am here in beautiful, sunny Charleston, South Carolina, and I'm very excited to tell you that this is going to be the site of our 2019 NICRA convention. I'm standing in front of the Pineapple Fountain, one of their landmarks. And why a pineapple, you ask? Because a pineapple is symbolic of hospitality. That's the kind of place this place is. People say hello on the street. It's very warm and friendly. It's just a wonderful place. Let me show you around the city a little bit. Driving down these streets, the historic architecture is absolutely amazing. Pastel colors, the old brick from the 1800s, maybe even 1700s. Look at this, there's a carriage here. Horse-drawn carriage. Palm trees. Look at this. Look at these amazing homes and really cool shops, restaurants. So one of the great things about Charleston also is it's a great place for Civil War buffs to come. As you can see behind me, all these cannons. I'm actually looking across the water from Fort Sumter, which is where the very first shot was fired in the Civil War. Pretty cool. Hello again. So here's where we're going to be staying, the Embassy Suites at the North Charleston Area Convention Center. Let's come on in and take a look at it. It's a real nice space. So here we are inside the hotel. Behind me is where they have their happy hour. Every evening from 5:30 to 7:30, they have beer, wine, finger food. It's awesome. I'm really excited about that. And every morning, they have a really good buffet. They have a cook-to-order station where they'll make omelets for you. They'll make eggs any style you want. Awesome place. And as if that's not enough, best part is they have premium entertainment here. So the hotel is connected directly to the convention center with the walkway. So if there is, in the unlikely event of any inclement weather, you will not have to be exposed to the elements. We're very excited about this space for a lot of reasons. One of them is that there's a lot more space for us to accommodate the explosive growth that we're seeing now. Our exhibit space is in a 14,000 square foot ballroom, which is amazing. High ceilings, and that's enough space to accommodate over 80 exhibitors with booths. We have plenty of room for the breakout sessions, wide hallways, plenty of areas for side conversations for people to talk business. All in all, this is, we believe, a big step above where we've been in the past, and will very much be able to accommodate the anticipated continued growth of our association. Well, folks, this is the last stop on our tour. We hope you've enjoyed it, and we hope you're looking forward to coming to Charleston in 2019. I'm standing in front of Hudson Alley, which is one of the really cool spots for nightlife. They have awesome restaurants, cafes, brew pub. As you can see behind me, it's a really fun place to hang out. We also have a gelato shop a few doors down, Republic Ice Cream, Jenny's is right around the corner on King Street. So if you have any questions, please go to NICRA.org. All the information about the convention will be there. Registration, you can always contact the office as well. So thank you for spending time with us, and we'll see you in Charleston in November 2019. Thank you.